Subscribe the channel for tech-related updates and press the bell icon for instant notifications.
Hi, in today's video we'll have an overview of Samsung's latest flagship phone, Samsung Note 9. In this video we will also talk about whether this phone is worth upgrade or not. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So alright, Samsung Note 9 has been released and now also available in market. It is available in both offline and online markets. The price set is about 60 to 60,000 rupees after having all those offers or cashback applied on it. Let's quickly talk about the specifications of this phone. So this phone will be coming in two different variants, with Exynos processor and with Snapdragon processor. Snapdragon processor will be available only in America, Latin America and in China. Rest of the world will be getting the Exynos processor. So let's talk about the Exynos processor first. So we are getting 9810 Exynos processor on this variant, and the Snapdragon variant is coming with 845 chipset. This phone will be coming in two different memory variants, 128GB plus 6GB RAM and 512GB with 8GB RAM. This time Samsung has really bumped up the internal memory. They are giving up to 512 variant, and this is not it. You can further expand it to 512GB by putting an external memory card. So practically now you can carry 1 TB space on your mobile phone. Isn't it amazing? Alright, let's talk about the screen size now. This phone is coming with 6.4 inches Super AMOLED screen, which is best in the industry till now. So on this phone we are getting about 83.4% screen to body ratio with 516 ppi pixel density. So as usual, this phone is also IP68 certified, which is water and dust resistant. This phone also comes with hybrid SIM slot, on which you can either use 2 SIMs or 1 SIM card and 1 memory card. If you want to use 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card simultaneously on this phone, I had made one video some time back for Samsung Note 8, which is true for any hybrid SIM slot phone. I've given the link of this video in the description box and in the cards above. You can watch that video for your reference. Alright, let's talk about the camera. It has the exactly same camera which was there on Samsung S9 Plus. The dual camera setup, one is with variable aperture 1.5 and 2.4 with 26mm focal length, and the other one is 56mm focal length with 2.4 aperture size. That means on the secondary camera we have a feature of 2x optical zoom. In terms of video, we can shoot up to 4K resolution on this setup. And we can shoot super slow motion videos up to 960 frames per second in HD. That was exactly same in the Samsung S9 Plus. About the selfie camera, it is a 8 megapixel shooter and with 2.4 aperture size. On the front facing camera also we can shoot videos up to 4K resolution. This phone also supports fast charging. It comes with Type-C 3.1 charging or data transfer port. Alright, now let's talk about the big upgrades which Samsung has done this time. They've upgraded their battery to 4000 mAh. Yes, it is a big upgrade after Note 7 disaster. The other thing they have upgraded is they have put stereo speaker on this phone, which has really increased the quality of the sound. And now, why Samsung Note is called Note? It is because of this S Pen. They've further upgraded this S Pen, like every year they're doing it. This time they have put a micro battery inside this. Yes, and it is also Bluetooth enabled. Now we can use this button on the S Pen for multiple functions, like we can use it for shutter release button for the camera. If you are presenting something on your Note 9, you can use it as a slide changer. As this S Pen now comes with a small battery inside it, you can use this battery up to 300 clicks of this button. And once you insert this pen back in the phone, it gets charged within 30 to 40 seconds, and again you can use it up to 300 clicks. So this Samsung S Pen is also becoming smarter every year. So alright, this was all good things about this phone. Now the overall feedback about Samsung phones, be it high-end phones or the lower-end phones. The software upgrade is very slow on these phones. So we'll have to keep that thing in mind. Now the question is, who should upgrade on Samsung Note 9? So I've divided it into two categories. First, someone who's already planning to buy one high-end phone and budget is not a constraint. Then I would say, go and grab this phone. This is the best phone available in market today. In terms of build quality, screen resolution, camera performance, overall performance, all the checkboxes are ticked in this phone. And now the battery has also upgraded, and you will also get the added advantage of S Pen. And the second category is someone who was already using Samsung Note 8, S9 Plus or S8 Plus. I would say think twice before you want to upgrade to Samsung Note 9. Why I'm saying that? Let's split it into pieces. Would you want to upgrade because of camera? Samsung S9 Plus and Samsung Note 9 has exactly same camera. Samsung Note 8 and Samsung S8 Plus had the exactly same camera. And the camera performance of Note 8 and Note 9 will not be a huge difference. So think twice before you want to upgrade because of camera. Is it because of processor? Practically, I think it is impossible to differentiate between the performance of Samsung Note 8 and Samsung Note 9 if both are working on 6GB RAM. So I don't think processor will be a differentiator here. Is it because of S Pen's performance or S Pen's smartness? I don't think so. Bigger battery could be a differentiator, yes, I understand that. But both the phones support fast charging. We can spend about 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. We can have a fast car charger or a fast charging power bank. Think about that. So this is my overall point of view about Samsung Note 9. If you want to know more about it, I have given the link in the description box. You can click that link and know more about it, and you can buy it from there also. So this is my overall submission about Samsung Note 9 story. If you agree with me, like this video and share with your friends. And if you are the first time on our channel, consider subscribing it. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have given that link in the description box. Thanks for watching Tech Today.